What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Bree and I like to do makeup looks, vlogs, all that good stuff. But we're here right now because it's October, baby. It's October and I wanted to do a Halloween look. Last year I did Avatar. If you haven't seen that video, go back and watch it. You know what I'm saying? Last year was all cute. This year we gonna get down and dirty. What's up, y'all? Oh, how y'all doing? How y'all been? I'm trying to get in the frame, y'all. Oh my gosh. So first of all, let's start off. I look a mess right now. And I feel a mess. A hot one, baby. All up in here just feels stopped up, congested, all that. But 'tis the season for Halloween makeup. And I couldn't let this time go by, sick or not, without giving y'all some looks. So I just have some white cream makeup. I got this white cream makeup from Walmart. Y'all, as much as I wanted to talk to y'all today, I see that that's not gonna happen. So this is gonna end up being a voiceover. Love ya. Alright, y'all, so let's get it popping with the voiceover because I was so congested that talk through just wasn't gonna work. So first things first, I'm just moving my little weave out the way, and now I'm going in with my white cream makeup from my local Walmart. And I'm gonna just go ahead and tell y'all right now, I did use this all over my face, my chin, under my neck, all that good stuff. But if you want smooth, consistent, and an actually good look that's not breaking up, just go ahead and invest in some good cream makeup. I know Miron is a great company to choose from. I'm dead wrong for using this Walmart makeup. It was cracking, and I am the blend queen, y'all. And nothing that I was doing was helping me to blend this makeup in. So epic fail on my part with that. But lessons were learned, and we still did what we had to do with this look, honey. So of course this was my first time doing this. I had no idea what I was doing. I was fumbling, so I did have to have me a little video in the background.
Your nose to give it that puppet contour. I'm then going back in using black eyeshadow, pretty much outlining everything I just outlined. Using an eyeshadow brush, I'm going back to that gray shadow and just contouring my cheeks in a very swoopy way. Try to get this line as blended as possible. And then creating a shorter line in the same area and blending that out heavily.
Okay, so just like the video said, y'all, I'm going in with some black eyeshadow, and I am just outlining different parts on my face. So I did like my chin area, my cheek, I don't even know what that is right there, my temple, like the sides of my temple, my nose. I had a little bit where my brow was supposed to be, like just all these different places that you see me going in and doing right now. I want to say though, make sure that you use a very light hand. These shouldn't be distinct black lines on your face. This should be almost a shadow. We're trying to carve out, you know, that Saul look. Like he just has a very distinct cheekbones and these other features. So that's what we're doing. We're carving them out with a very light hand, just shading it in. We're also going to go in and blend. So now I have a different brush that I'm using to blend. And as I was doing this, y'all, the white was literally just crumbling off. And that's why I say it's very worth it to invest in good cream makeup if you want to do these type of looks. Because I definitely feel like that's what made or break this look. My cream makeup was trash. Blue cheese, bottom of the barrel, throw that shit away. But nonetheless, I just kept going. So now I'm going in with some red eyeshadow, and I'm drawing those little swirlies on my cheek. So in between looking at a Saw video, I also had a picture of Saw up on my phone, just trying to completely recreate this look, y'all. And y'all know I'm a rookie with this Halloween makeup, but I still be eating. Just a little bit. So I'm outlining it now, and after I outlined that, I went in and took that same eyeshadow on my eyelids because now I'm making the eyes for this look. Now I'm just going in with my black liquid eyeliner and I'm outlining the red because again we're making his eyes, y'all. I'm telling y'all, pull you up a picture so you can watch as you do this. So I'm going to use it to outline the red, and I'm also going to put a little black in the middle as well. And I'm just doing this until I get a good thick consistency, something that I am happy with that favors the picture. Now I am just locating my MAC lipstick in the color Ruby Woo because I'm going to use that to darken all the places that are red. So the little swirlies on my cheek, the eyeballs, and I'm also going to use this for my final lip look as well. So here I am going in with that, touching up some of the white, trying to make sure the swirlies look good and clean, y'all. Like literally this look is a bunch of back and forth. You gotta clean stuff up. Whew, girl. I'm about to pull you up a picture. I can't stress that enough. Pull you up a picture so you can be looking at the picture and going with the picture. So for me personally, I don't like using contacts and all that. So I'm doing this look to where it's bringing in Saw with my eyes closed. And that's why you saw me going in under my eye with the black liner as well. And I had to kind of like fill in where my eyelashes were to make sure that it was like, you gonna see it's gonna all come together in the end. I promise it kind of do look a mess. I ain't gonna fake y'all, because this was low-key a fail again because of the white cream makeup. But overall the look still, it still came out looking like Saw, just like the Great Value version. But and you just see me, I just keep checking myself out. I'm trying to make sure it's starting to come together. But I will say, when you're doing Halloween makeup and stuff like this, you don't want to expect for it to be flawless like regular makeup, because it's not regular makeup. This is Halloween makeup. It's meant to be a little scary. It's meant to be not flawless, okay? So don't expect that. But anyways, as you can see, with me adding in this red lipstick, it really made the difference and made that red be more vibrant, which is what we needed for this look. So yeah, I'm gonna just keep on going, y'all. Alright, so as you can see, I'm definitely like over filling my lips in a way. I already have pretty full lips, but Saul does not have a distinct like lip shape. It's just giving blob of red. It's giving blob. Because I mean, he's scary, right? So we want to give that scare factor. So I kind of just like smooth that out with my red brush that I used to initially apply that red eyeshadow. Now I'm just going back in all these patchy spots, trying to patch in the white, y'all. But I promise y'all, as soon as the stuff like the cream makeup dried, there was no going back and patching up anything, because it just would make the what was there already fall off. I'm also going back in with that black eyeliner. I put it in the middle of my lips just to give it a little bit of a darker effect, a more creepy, gruely effect. I'm also doing that on my eyes to make sure that the consistency, y'all, is there. Like, I don't want the stuff that I can control looking patchy. I don't want it to look patchy. So I'm going in, making sure it's as dark as it could possibly be. Now, the face is pretty much done. I'm again just going in and adding in my finishing touches. I've already put my wig cap on because I am going to put a black wig on top of my quick weave that more resembles his hair. He got like that hard wig like thing going, and so I had to keep that same energy, baby. But now I'm just going in, doing my little touch-ups, seeing how everything is looking. I close my eyes, or close one eye at a time, to make sure that it looks just like the freaking picture, or as close as possible, because I already told y'all this is the great value version. So but yeah, we almost finished, y'all. Stick with it, stick with it. All right, y'all, so there you have it. This is the finished look, y'all. I'm just like, I don't know how to feel. Like, y'all, it was a fail, but not really so much, because if I was to actually go out and wear this as a Halloween costume, I do feel like the look will suffice. But what you know what y'all think? Comment below. Let me know, did I nail it? Did I fail it? Like, what's going on? Talk to me in the comments. Bye, y'all.